This army officer spotted a bird badly stuck in the mud. It was a Eurasian magpie. After heavy rain, the ground had turned into a trap. The poor bird came there for water but got completely stuck instead. It couldn't move, couldn't fly, it was slowly losing hope. But then help arrived. The officer rushed forward without thinking twice. He carefully pulled the bird out of the thick mud, saving its life. Its feathers were covered in dirt, so the man gently cleaned them, making sure it could fly again. And then he set it free. It should have been the end of the story, but it was. The very next day the bird came back, then again and again. Every day it returned to him, as if it remembered everything. The officer welcomed it with kindness, giving it food and fresh water. A silent friendship was born. Sometimes the magpie brought money to him, like a small gift of gratitude. A tiny bird with a big heart. If you find their bond beautiful, give them a like.